Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your budget and all your bank transactions with the Spendee app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Spendee app, then go to the More section. And at the More section, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the list. And here you will have to tap on the Advanced icon. And at the Advanced icon, you will have to tap on the Export. And you will be able to export all your data. You have to choose the wallet. Now, I only have one wallet, so I will choose that one. You have to choose the period that you would like to export the data from. Then you can choose the format, so you can export it in CSV format or Excel format. And when you are done, you just have to hit on the export data, and it's going to download to your device all your informations. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and check out the links in the description. See you in the next one. Bye bye.